Hey everybody, Dustin here from OCD, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and protection company. We have a full shop. We had a little bit of time today that wasn't cranking on noise, so I wanted to walk you around and kind of show you the different types of cars we work on and the different types of projects that we're doing on these cars. We have a full house today. So this first one is a Mustang Mach-E, electric Mustang. This one came in for our ceramic coating. We actually had to add a little bit of overspray removal to it. Not sure what happened when it was sitting on the lot, but we got all that taken care of. Full wash and clay bar, chemical decon. We're gonna get into our polishing and ceramic coating now. And then we've got this Rivian in here. This one got a coating a couple years back. Got it nice and cleaned up with our decon wash. You can see that paint is nice and glossy. We're also gonna do a full interior detail on this one. We're just getting started. Not too bad, but it's what, keeps these cars nice and pretty is preventative maintenance. So we'll get that all taken care of. And then we're actually going to come up and they got a little boo-boo on the paint protection film, like a garage clipped it. So it did its job in protecting the substrates, but we're gonna replace that for the customer today on top of that detail. And then this Tesla we've got back here, we got our front windshield tinted with 3M crystalline. 2 front doors to match the back color as best as possible and really cut out that heat, kind of cut down being a fishbowl. And then we're gonna do our 9-year coating, glass coating, wheels coating. So it's getting a little bit of everything. And then this Macan is just washed, clay, deconned. We're gonna get a quick polish on this thing, do a little bit of touch-up paint on there, and then put our 3-year ceramic coating on this beast and get it all taken care of. If you have a car that you're looking for a detail, ceramic coating, paint correction, paint protection film, window tint, all the above, we are here to take care of you with being San Diego's most obsessed detailing and ceramic coating company. Got 18 years experience. We're gonna take care of your car just like you would want it taken care of. And we are here to help. Give us a call today, click the link below, and we can't wait to work with you today and show you why we are San Diego's most obsessed detailing and ceramic coating company.